Okay. All right. Hello, everybody. Today we are going to be going over the heart. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says heart. We have a link for the reading. We have my email that you can send your assignments to. And we have the practice questions. So let's get into this. So the heart is the muscular organ that pumps blood throughout your body. It is about the size of your fist. So the heart has a thick muscular wall that is several layers of tissue, and the heart is divided into 4 chambers that the blood flows through. So the wall of the heart is made up of 3 layers. So the endocardium is the innermost layer. The myocardium is the middle layer, so M for myocardium, M for middle. And the pericardium is the outer protective layer. So the pericardium protects the perimeter. Here's a picture of that. So the heart chambers. So there are 4 chambers of the heart. There are 2 upper chambers called the atria and 2 lower chambers called the ventricles. Right? The atria are going to be receiving the blood. So the right atrium receives from the upper and lower body through the vena cavas. The left atrium is going to receive blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. And then the ventricles are going to pump the blood out. So right ventricle discharges blood to the lungs through the pulmonary artery, and the left ventricle discharges blood to the rest of the body through the aorta. All right, and anything pulmonary has to do with the lungs. So heart valves. Heart valves allow the blood to flow from the atria to the ventricles and from the ventricles to the pulmonary artery and aorta. But then because of the pressure of the blood, they are going to close and only allow the blood to flow in one direction. So we have a few different valves. We have the tricuspid valve, mitral valve, pulmonary valve, and aortic valve. Coronary arteries are going to supply oxygen-rich blood to the heart muscle cells, and coronary veins are going to remove deoxygenated blood from the heart muscle cells. Since the heart is always flexing and relaxing, contracting and relaxing, it needs a pretty consistent flow of oxygen and nutrients. All right. This shows the entire path of blood as soon as it enters and exits the heart. All right. And then in the cardiac cycle, which is one complete heartbeat, we have diastole, when the atria contract and pump blood into the ventricles. And when the atria contract, the ventricles are going to relax. All right. Then we have systole, where the atria relax and get blood from the lungs and the body, and the ventricles are going to contract when the atria relax. So hopefully that all makes sense. Make sure you finish your questions and turn them into me.